Hello and welcome to Zulf Talks Photography. Today we're speaking to Violet about ideas and inspiration for photos. So we'll get straight into this episode and give you some ideas of types of photos that can help make your photography a bit more interesting. Hello Violet, how are you?
Hi, Zulf. I'm very well, thanks. Well, I'm glad to be back on your channel.
That's great. We've done a few videos with you, part of the creative collaborations, because you've got some great content that we've seen, and I thought it's good to have a chat to you. Today, hopefully, the main topic is going to be us sharing a few ideas, especially you, because I've seen your Instagram channel and you've got quite a few interesting shots. So, are you able to give us a bit of background about your thinking when you're taking photos and how you make them a bit interesting because they're different to normal photos?
Absolutely. My inspiration on photography basically comes from everything around me. I tend to look at life a little bit different, I think, because when I see something, I want to photograph it in a way that I see it. And most people don't see something in that particular way. Like, especially if you look at my Instagram, you'll see the tennis ball shots that we did was something that happened while I was playing with the dog, and the ball got dropped in the water. And as I tossed the ball over to the dog, I saw these water sprays, and I thought, wow, why not photograph that? And the same with the melon that we cut in half. We were actually having some fun. Nadine, who is my director of photography at Navipix, was actually cutting something, and I saw that looks fun. Decided to toss some fruit at her, give her a big old machete, and see what happens if she cuts it in half. So, yes, my inspiration on photography comes from looking at things that I see in a different way than people normally will look at it.
Excellent. And have you got any tips for anybody that was maybe stuck with ideas? And because the main topic for this video will be inspiration and ideas. So if someone was struggling and they came on and saw our video, I'm hoping that we can give them a couple of ideas. So you've done two already, which is great, cutting fruit and tennis ball. Is there anything else you think that could make it more interesting for maybe new people into photography?
Oh, yes, absolutely. If people are starting out in photography, they want to explore their cameras. So the first thing they need to do, obviously, is move out of auto mode and move into manual mode. And to explore manual mode, you want to try and take fast moving things, capture the moment of something that was moving fast and make it as if time is standing still. So my suggestion or my inspiration to people would be look at it, look at things around you, moving water, droplets, anything that moves fast, a dog coming out of the water or the lake, somebody who's been playing cricket, anything fast moving, try to capture those shots. And I am going to tell you, it's not easy, but the more you explore, the better you get, and then the more inspiration you find.
Definitely, you're right. I think with a lot of photography and especially hobbies, you want to spend time building your craft. So as you get better, you'll see that actually I could take that photo before it was blurry, but if I increase the shutter speed or play with the ISO, can I make that better? So I think that's a big journey in shooting, especially photography and learning. So you're right, it's something especially to look at and progress on. But yeah, that's been really good. Thanks for those tips. We've shared a few ideas, hopefully get the viewers interested to take more interesting shots. And we'll be speaking more to Violet in coming episodes. We've done a few collaborations. You can find information for her channel and her contact details in the description. And we'll link in the cards to her channel as well, so you can check out some of the great work she's doing. And this has been an episode as part of the creator collaborations. We've got additional videos that you can check out. So keep you interested in photography. So thanks for joining us today.